Hello, Gedmis here. Welcome to my channel. This time I have a watch from a Boderry brand. It's a Chinese brand and promotes itself as an independent watch factory. Let's check the watch in more detail. The watch came in a rather large signed leather gift box. Inside this box we have a smaller traveling box. The user manual, warranty card and cleaning clothes are also included. And finally we have the watch itself. The first impressions are very good. The watch looks very nice and solid. This is the model from the Sea Turtle Ocean line. It's a diver style watch, so it isn't a small one, yet it's not oversized either. 40 mm in diameter, the lug-to-lug distance is 48 mm and the lug width is 20 mm. This is the bronze case version. The retail price on the official Boderry eShop is $159, while the titanium case variation is $20 cheaper. It uses a sapphire crystal and works with the Japanese miyota 82-15 movement. It's a diver style watch, but it's more like a dress diver. It's paired with a stitched genuine leather strap, and the declared water resistance is 100 meters, which is more than okay for everyday use, but definitely not suitable for diving. On the wrist it sits and feels well. Let's take a closer look at the dial. The basic design is taken from the Rolex Submariner. The dial background picture of the turtle in the ocean looks rather unusual, yet nice. The metallic hour indexes with the applied light brown color corresponds with the bezel and the case. The hands are similar to Omega Seamaster hands. They have the same color inserts as the hour indexes. The legibility is good, as the hands contrast with a bluish background quite well. The frame date window is at the 3-hour position. The background picture has the effect of the real painting, but from a closer view it looks pixelated. Anyway, it looks interesting and lovely. All dial elements are well made or printed. This is my first bronze case watch. I don't have previous experience with it. The bronze has its unique properties as it oxidizes and changes in color. Also, greenish spots could appear in time. I have worn the watch for several days now, and the case has changed its color slightly. But that is what it makes it interesting. Once again, the shape of the case is very similar to Rolex Submariner's case. The edges aren't sharp, the case surface has a brushed finish. The bezel inlay is also made from bronze, yet I am not sure what material the bezel base is made from. The bezel teeth have a really good grip. The 120 click bezel action is accurate and alignment is very good, but the resistance is very weak. You can turn it accidentally when wearing it. The screw-down stainless steel case back has an engraved turtle with waves and features some records as well. Overall, the watch looks and feels good. There are versions with a titanium case and blue or black dial backgrounds with an octagonal pattern. I must admit I like my variation the most of all others. The Lume effect looks okay, yet it's pretty weak and lasts only for several minutes. The watch uses the miyota 8215 automatic movement, which is hand-windable yet non-hackable. Check at the specs of the movement on the wrist. These movements have one flaw, an indirectly driven second hand. I've noticed it, and in some shots of this review you can also see the uneven second hand moving. That doesn't affect the accuracy, which is rather good on this particular watch, from +9 to +11 seconds per day. The stitched genuine leather band looks good. It's soft, flexible and pleasant to touch. Yet it's very thick, almost 4 mm. The sign pin buckle is rather massive. It's a pity it isn't made of the same material as the case. Overall, the quality of the band is good. It fits the watch well. The good thing is it's 20 mm wide, so the standard bands would fit for replacement. Let's check some variations with other straps. And it's time for the conclusions. So we have a bronze case watch for decent price, featuring the sapphire crystal, 100-meter water resistance and comfortable genuine leather band. Rather unusual, yet in my opinion interesting and nice looking paint and dial and case combination. Well finished dial and case. The legibility is very good. Solid casing at this price point, including both the gift box and traveling box. The used miyota 8215 movement is reliable, yet it lacks a hacking feature. Also, the second hand drafts unevenly from time to time. The Seiko and H55 movement would have been a better choice. The bezel resistance is very weak, it can turn accidentally. The Lume effect looks okay, but it's rather weak and short lasting. Keep in mind that the bronze case oxidizes and changes in color, but if you would like to try a bronze case watch, this one could be a choice at a reasonable price. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this watch. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.